Hi everyone, my name is Diada Bakarunisa and my student number ID is 250512300022. And here we will discuss about manufacturing innovation or emerging technology. So in this video, I choose metal 3D print as my topic. Why I choose metal 3D print? Because it really interesting innovation. As you know, metal is a solid and hard material that also have a high melting point. So how could you use it as a material in 3D print? Metal 3D printing is a process that builds 3D objects from digital models by using metal materials layer by layer, typically using a high-powered energy source like laser or electron beam. And there are some types for metal 3D print, such as the DMLS, direct metal laser sintering, selective laser melting or SLM, and electron beam melting or EBM. Metal 3D printing is also used to make a complex, custom, and lightweight parts with strength comparable to conventionally manufactured metals. The industries that usually make and use metal 3D printing is aerospace industry, automotive industry, healthcare, jewelry, and industrial goods. So how does this machine work? So there are usually based on this type, such as powder bed fusion, direct energy deposition, window jetting, and material extrusion. Powder bed is usually use a laser to fuse metal layer by layer. Direct energy, you just expose the metal powder so it melts, then get the shape that you desire. Window jetting is give the metal a liquid binding agent layer by layer and then furnace it to burn off the binder and fuse the metal. And last is material extrusion is a technology that prints with a filament that contain metal powder bound in a plastic or wax-like material and then process it in the furnace to remove the binder and sinter the metal. The machine that we use for 3D metal printing is usually based on the types of 3D print. But here we will specify in TruePrint 300 that use powder bed fusion, specifically laser metal fusion or laser powder bed fusion to 3D print metal part. So the process of how this 3D print work is first, prepare the build job or design your 3D model in CAD program, and then connect it to the program of our machine, and then the machine will start to build the part layer by layer using a laser metal fusion process. After all of the build layer by layer is done, remove the complete bed cylinder from the machine and then transfer the cylinder into the powdering station. In the center, invert the cylinder to empty and loose powder into a container which can be sieved and reused in a cold powder cycle for cleanliness and efficiency. There are a video to demonstrate about how to use the TruePrint 200 step to use TruePrint 300. In this video, you can check it out. Now we will move to advantage and limitation of metal 3D printing. So metal 3D printing let us have a complex design, material efficiency because we can reuse the metal powder again, which is led to reduce waste and lead times. And we can also do rapid prototyping by using 3D printing metal. Next is the limitation of 3D metal. It have a high cost, limited build size because we have to do it in our machine, and also slow production volume. And lastly, metal 3D print are really interesting and impressive technology that could be used for create such a complex parts for the future of manufacturing machine. And that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.